Navigating Technology: How Kosh Pioneers IT Solutions in New Mexico by Kosh Solutions. Imagine standing amidst the vast expanse of the New Mexico desert, a landscape that stretches endlessly in all directions. While the pioneers of the past navigated this challenging terrain, modern-day businesses are navigating their own complex landscape, the digital one. In this article, we take a look at how Kosh Solutions is stepping forward as a modern-day trailblazer, offering cutting-edge IT solutions to New Mexico businesses. As we delve into our approach, we'll uncover how we're helping businesses overcome challenges and guiding them toward success in modern business. In this article, we recommend 3 IT action items. 1. Cybersecurity Tabletop. 2. IT Roadmap. 3. Cybersecurity Self-Assessment, which you can find linked in the description. Kosh Solutions provides 5 core IT solutions for New Mexico businesses. 1. Cloud Services. 2. Microsoft Services and Management. 3. Cybersecurity Services. 4. Full management of your IT. 5. Hardware rental programs. Unveiling the modern digital frontier. While it might not be sand dunes and heat waves, okay, some heat waves. The challenges facing businesses today are just as vast and demanding. From relentless cybersecurity threats that seem to evolve at the speed of light, to the expanding horizon of possibilities brought by remote work and cloud technologies, modern businesses are dealing with a set of challenges that can feel as imposing as any desert. But here's where Kosh Solutions comes in. Not a mere IT service provider, but a guide, a navigator through this technical terrain. Our customers are partners, and we have helped them through many difficult transitions, such as moving entire organizations to be able to work in a secure hybrid work environment. The transition for this particular partner had to be fast because of the vital services they provide. Kosh Solutions, the technical Sherpas. Think of Kosh Solutions as your digital Sherpas. We aren't just there to fix technical glitches. We're there to architect transformations. We're the ones who understand that navigating this digital landscape isn't just about having the latest software or hardware. It's about understanding the lay of the land, recognizing the unique peaks and valleys of each business, and tailoring strategies that lead to success. We're the guides helping businesses reach their objectives by leveraging technology to conquer challenges. IT action item number 1. We recommend every organization complete a cybersecurity tabletop exercise. This is where company leadership meets with the cybersecurity expert and technical team to work through critical items such as 1. What data does the company hold and where is it stored? 2. How much is that data worth? Can the data be rebuilt? Is the data critical to the operations of the business? 3. What are the steps taken in the event of a cybersecurity event? 4. What are the expectations around resolving the cybersecurity event? How fast does your company need to be back up and running? Charting a course through IT challenges. Think about all the IT challenges businesses face: cybersecurity breaches, infrastructure bottlenecks, software integrations. Now, picture Kosh Solutions breaking down these seemingly insurmountable obstacles into clearly defined paths. We like to think of ourselves as modern-day cartographers, sketching out roadmaps that align with the unique goals of each business. It's not just about pointing in a direction. It's about making the journey visually intuitive and strategically guided for your business. IT action item number 2. Whether you're working with Kosh or not, you should have an IT roadmap that's revisited and updated every year. We offer a free IT roadmap to local New Mexico organizations. The roadmap covers topics like IT infrastructure, ISP, cabling, diagrams, network, firewalls, access points, switches, computing, architecture, servers, laptops, security, antivirus, MFA, user training, disaster recovery, DR plan, local backups, off-site backups, and more. Here is a page that goes over the IT roadmap in a bit more detail. The Tech Oasis, Albuquerque's IT transformation. Albuquerque's desert landscape is undergoing its own transformation, one that's not sandy, but tech-based. It's becoming a tech oasis, a hub of innovation and growth. And in this oasis, Kosh Solutions isn't a passive bystander. We're playing a vital role in nurturing this transformation. We are behind the scenes working with local businesses use new technologies. We provide essential IT services that contribute to Albuquerque's overall growth and development. IT action item number 3. We provide free resources to the New Mexico business community, such as this free cybersecurity self-assessment. Kosh is proud to represent New Mexico on the Channel Futures MSP 501 list. We were awarded the number 1 MSP in New Mexico in 2022 and 2023. Our dedication to customer services and customer success is part of the wider ecosystem of business in New Mexico. Our mission is to be the IT partner for 250 small to medium-sized businesses and to work together to continuing building a forward-looking and resilient business environment. When talking with local business leaders, we hear stories of thriving amidst digital disruption and tales of woe in the face of change. Having a vetted and experienced technical team on your side can be the difference between leading and getting left behind. Be sure you have an IT partner that understands your specific industry, technology requirements, and vision you have for the company. Types of technical advisors. DIY, great if you have the bandwidth and are very technically inclined. IT guy, an independent person who works on your computers, can be great if they make the time to keep up with trends and communicate with you. The problem is that many of these people are putting out fires everywhere and may not be able to focus their efforts of keeping your business ahead of the pack. Internal IT can be a great choice for smaller businesses. Many times, what we see is as companies grow, internal IT has a difficult time keeping up with the demands unless significant resources are moved to the IT department. Outsourced IT. This is where companies like Kosh Solutions come in. MSPs can bolster your internal IT or take on fully managing a company's IT environment. This is the most robust option due to the large staff, depth of knowledge, and industry relationships MSPs can muster on behalf of the customer. No matter where your company is at as far as revenue or employee count, you need to have solid technical advice. The path ahead might not be as arduous as a desert crossing, but it's no less significant. The decision you make today will shape your business's trajectory in the digital age. Visit www.koshsolutions.com to learn more. Disclaimer: the information contained in this communication is intended for limited use for informational purposes only. It is not considered professional advice and instead is general information that may or may not apply to specific situations. Each case is unique and should be evaluated on its own by a professional qualified to provide advice specifically intended to protect your individual situation. Kosh is not liable for improper use of this information. Kosh Solutions protects SMBs from West Texas, NM, CO, and Orange County with proactive cybersecurity, networking, Microsoft, and fully managed IT solutions. Let our robust technical team provide you with peace of mind.